aba UPDF bayegitwa aba Red Cross hamwe na Blood Bank kandi bayenje town ya Koranoria umurimba City North Division.
As you know, for us UPDF we do a lot of community mobilization, and our president has taken a lead in fighting HIV. So for us now we have come in because this day it's World AIDS Day. We have also come in as UPDF to support the community, to support our president, to sensitize the people on HIV.
Elizoba tumunonga kanderi na nensulunga niyo tugeza ukubizusya abantu bono muihanga nti AIDS inga sirimu eriyo namazima sirimu tugeza ukutubanyisa kongetiriro bashabanka abantu mumanye nti sirimu tekabire kupayo muihanga kandi kadungire cyuwa.
Abambara Blood Bank hamwe n'aba Red Cross nibagira ngo bakwatanise na UPDF okugisa abantu kubine kwerinda indwara ya sirimu.
Kandi twenka Red Cross tukwatagine na Paul Diaries nenga shayiba komanya kalato na UPDF izoberi kujaguza izoba lya sirimu nenge tubakweta World AIDS Day creating awareness ninga kumanyisa public musirimeho na no kubamanisa emiringo y'ibashemerire kwerinda musirimu.
Ishagame ejo erayamba abantu abarabe bakujetaga mu muryabo harimo n'abaguba binaka koko ka sirimu konka bakwetaga ishagama kandi ishagame y'abana betaga bani betaga ishagama elsef nareke bireginika koko ka sirimu.
Abatura bayejumbiro mu kucebeza no kugabeshagama basi mu buherezo bu
kwecebeza sirimu kugira ngo manye ko yemerire akabantu turabo muri bingi ebitukomane bitari komanya. Icyakabiri nashangaro ofa kucebera bakakoreba mushikari kwemerire blood type yawe ko kuberi.
Emikoro y'ihanga ryo yakorerwa mu district ya Buyende omucayi cya Bukungu Primary School omugandi aho ushobora zo muremo rwa Fort Portron batunga kakumwe wa pastor okubanu baremese huriyo kurwana sindwara ya sirimu mu district eji n'ikigamwa ngo ba pastor bagambira barukutura nakakoka sirimu okugumana bashaba bakarugahame bazi.
Who think HIV we can just sit around and pray and it goes? In the JV warfare they say God helps those who help themselves. Katonda yamba abe yamba. As meanwhile we are praying to God to reduce this, to use these people to think twice of their acts before. We should also go for medical services. Bekambira kusaba kuonka kandi omubazi bakuteka rubaju ekirikirungi kirikimu habintu ebitugarwire enyuma nabo kinintendera abembeze bemyoyo obakuba nibasaba baterera abantu kugenda mu irwara kwekebeza kandi barasanga bayinako komye rero bahondere ebiragiro byabajanjabi ndebiragiro by'abadokta.
Ibandiko bya Uganda AIDS Commission ebyo mwakogu nibyo rekanga Fort Portron yebembiro mu kugira umuhendo gw'abantu abarukwata indwara ya sirimu mu yanga ryona no cyoki 14 harigana. Ebi bigambirwa mu korgo kuhemba kandro ogwesurwe kando writing okwijuka babisirwe indwara ya sirimu.
Let us not wait for the people to come to the facility. There are those who fear to come to the facility. They're in the villages. We have VHTs. Can we go and visit those people, counsel them, talk to them, bring them back here?
We want to say that we want our religious leaders to support us, give the religious part, but leave the medical teams to do their part.
Ebahandiko kuruguma ofisi by'amagaro mu Fort Portron byorekanga mu kwezi kwa 12 mwaka guhire abantu bari kwingana emitware 888 bakabano batura nakako kasirimu aharyaba omutwaro gumwe 1228 bakazi kandi kashanjurwe 22 n'abashija. Ebahandiko nibyo bimwe nibyorekangwa hagati yo kwezi kwa 10 no kwa 12 omwaka guhire abantu bari kwingana 37 bakakwata indwara ya sirimu. Gashakwa na Good Fatuma hamwe na Jonan Tusingwire.